For the latest in strategic affairs, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon for updates.
No Hindi-Chini bhai-bhai on the final day of the 15th BRICS Summit in Johannesburg, although there was a brief exchange between Prime Minister Modi and President Xi Jinping. They agreed to intensify efforts at expeditious disengagement and de-escalation along their disputed border, which means no breakthrough at the military-to-military talks now underway. That puts a question mark on Xi Jinping's presence at the G20 summit in Delhi on September 7th. Otherwise, BRICS appears to be finally moving out of its torpor with the admission of 6 new members, including energy heavyweights Saudi Arabia, the UAE and Iran. Although India helped frame the criteria for admission of new members, reports indicated that India wanted countries under sanctions to be kept out, but that found no consensus.
India has shaped the criteria, and also if you look at the members specifically who've been included, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Egypt, UAE, these are after all what the MEA classifies as strategic partners. So yeah. I see absolutely, if anything, they are in India's extended neighborhood more than China's extended neighborhood. So this is truly a win-win outcome.
6 of the world's top 10 oil-producing countries are now in BRICS, a point that would be of some concern to the United States. Also worth noting was Modi's proposal for a space consortium under the BRICS rubric. China has offered support.
पहला है स्पेस के क्षेत्र में सहयोग. हम ब्रिक्स सैटेलाइट कॉन्स्टेलेशन पर पहले से काम कर रहे हैं. एक कदम आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम ब्रिक्स स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन कंसोरियम बनाने पर विचार कर सकते हैं. इसके अंतर्गत हम स्पेस रिसर्च, वेदर मॉनिटरिंग जैसे क्षेत्रों में ग्लोबल गुड के लिए काम कर सकते हैं.
If Modi's proposal succeeds, India will be straddling 2 different space regimes, one represented by the US-led Artemis Accords and the other in the form of BRICS that has Russia and China. It will be interesting to see how India navigates this realm. This is a special report from Team Strat News Global.